Welcome everybody. Hello. How's it going? Itwip, good to see you. And Art is back. And Green. Hantaklog, welcome, greetings. And Martin Muchka, hello. Good afternoon. Well, what do you know? Look at how price eventually got back into this area. You know, we left the London stream somewhere here and then price went down into that demand zone. But this was quite interesting. All right, anyway. We're getting close to the market open and we're going to talk about some new MyFundedFutures stuff, which is going to be super exciting. The new accounts are out, so super awesome. Ibo Munich, hello. Hey, good to see you. Less than 2 minutes to go. Anyone has a plan of what to do here? Because I'm not sure what to do. Actually, I know. I think I'm gonna trade on the hold on a second. Do we want to go for Asia high? I think we want to, right? 48, yeah, why not? Let's go for that. It's not too far. It's not too far up there at 67. Yeah, let's see. Less than 1 minute to go. Screw up yesterday and revenge traded. Oh, Blue Starter Plus. Yeah, Green, it happens, man. But you know, the good news is there is a cheaper solution at MyFundedFutures right now. So it's called the core account. But we'll see. You'll see. It's absolutely amazing, the new thing that what they come out with. Absolutely amazing. Sacromancer, good to see you. Cubic, hello. And Kirk Townsend. Not Townsend, Townsend. Townsend. Oh, what's happening? Yeah, I mean, the Pro plan is absolutely good for that. I mean, if you don't like the scaling, but the Pro plan is cool. And obviously, you know, with less than 5 micros, you can start building the account. Here we go, by the way. Navab, good to see you. Filkos, what's happening in the house? Your day is saved. Well, we still have a lot from the day. So let's just see how it's gonna go. We still have a lot. Seems like this one sweeping the lows. Let's see how far it goes down. Okay, it seems like we're going down even more. Let's just wait and see. How you doing, Nawab? Reza Banks, hello, good luck to you too. I'm gonna call you son. Yeah, that's the safest. Yeah, absolutely. Let me see. I think I had an account somewhere that I can go for a position, maybe. But do I want to scalp this one? I'm not sure. Were there some news here earlier or something? I'm not really sure about this. Is this just gonna keep on going down, or what's the plan here? All right, it just keeps going down, I guess. Oh, what a drop. By the way, how much we dropped here? Okay, 60 points. We still have previous day low and the midpoint of the gap. Let's just go through 1 minute and see what's happening. Not much. Yeah. I kind of wonder if it, because the low here was 267-ish area. I don't know if it wants to go. Got the gold trade. Nice. Richmond index. So we do have some news. Let's see how we're doing. So is this gonna go lower? Or what's the plan? We still can't decide. I mean, this was almost like a London low, and I'm not going to jump into anything. Let's look at the 5 minute. Sweeping these levels. Could be going lower, I guess, but still not sure. Absolutely amazing. My plan is to serve. Okay, 2 bottles of wine. You know, I like the plan, Philcos. That's definitely a good plan. It's always a good plan. 2 bottles of wine. Anyway, I'm just gonna wait for the 267 just to see if it wants to break that level or not. I have no interest of entering this one. I'm kind of watching the other markets as well. No, nothing. Anyway, let's just wait and see. You never know. You never know. Is it gonna try to move down again below the 80s? Or what's the deal here? It's kind of interesting. I think it might trick yesterday's low. Yeah. Yeah, I'm kind of looking for that too, that scenario. But I don't want to see that this is going to just stuck here in this area. I mean, I guess we'll see, but could be recovering all the way to the top. Up there to above 24. So far, nothing. Exactly. It's a long way to the top if you want to rock. I don't know. There's a low at on the micro. The low is 67.25. I'm gonna put a sell side marker right there just in case. Otherwise, I don't have anything. And I'm kind of, trying to figure out if I want to jump into a trade. It does look like a bit of a bear flag-ish situation, like it wants to continue, but I feel like it can push back up to 325 just now. So, look at this. It can easily go. Not much is happening, right? You're in longs. Risk-free, that's the best situation. Risk-free longs. There's 16. I might want to reprice the whole area here, but I'm not sure. Still kind of feels like a bear flag, but I'm not sure. We're gonna keep on waiting. I don't know what's happening here. I really no idea. It's the waiting game again. What's this doing? Is it really going down? I guess it does. All right. Never mind. I had a chocolate ice cream. Well, I wish I could have an ice cream. But I just had diarrhea. I shouldn't tell you this, but I feel awful. I mean, I don't know what I ate yesterday, but I couldn't sleep and I feel really bad. Look at this. Still going down. We have 267 down there. Very close. Feels like it wants to take the low, but not sure. Like, you know, sweeping that 268 at least in the order block. Still there. I don't want to tell more about it. Yeah, I mean the London low, I think this was, I mean, depends on which is the London low, right? Obviously the swing low is at 267. I'm not sure about the mini. But yeah, look at that. It did go down there. Got stopped out on gold. Oh, what was happening on gold? And it just keeps going higher. No stopping at it. Okay, now that we swept the low, there's only one target, previous day low, which is the 15 minutes demand zone low. It's not too far. But do we want to chase this? I'm not sure. Parmin there, hello. The offer is finished now. Well, there was the 50% offer. I mean, maybe for the new accounts, it's the July promo is still, I mean, maybe they stopped it. I don't know the current discounts because they just rolled out with the new accounts, which are, by the way, amazing. I'm not even sure if I can show you guys this because I don't know. Let's see. Okay, I think I can show you guys this. So here's the new core plan, which is $77 only. I don't know what is the current discount on the core plan, but that's the cheapest account right now. And obviously I think the pro plan is what's really super exciting. Let me show you the pro plan. Oh, look at that, we're going lower. So the pro plan is super great. Even the 50K, like, there is a payout request cap raised to $100,000 from the simulated account. You can go up to 5 minis. You know, that's absolutely good. Scaling with 5 micros, I know, but it should be enough on the pro plan. The evaluation phase is still good, but there's still some stuff I do need to dive into this a little bit more. Now 25%. I didn't know because they're just changing it consistently. Are we going for 23 here? I think we do. My gosh. Oh, look at that. I think it just wants to take it out. Okay. Careful with the bounce. It could be bouncing 30-40 points in a second. Okay. Reza TP hit. Congratulations. Secure TP to eval. Hey, thank you, Reza. Thank you so much for the support and congratulations on the new accounts. I also secured 2 more funded accounts with Take Profit Trader. We will see a boner candle on Q today. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? I also had a trade here. I mean, there's a new funded account at 53,000. I just reached it. There's another 50k funded account and another 150k funded account secured. I just flipped it today. So 3 new funded accounts at Take Profit Trader. Let's go, everyone. 173. That's actually a good. Reza, you are absolutely rocking it with Take Profit Trader. Actually, the last account I had, I told you guys I blowed that up. It is what it is. I don't know why the Take Profit Trader accounts usually last around 2 to 3 weeks, and then I blow it up. But now I have 3, so I'm gonna use them wisely and try to do my best. Whoa, what is happening? Why is the market moving like this? Excuse me. No proper movement here. There you go. Just took that out. Gold is edging super high. So you definitely need more ice cream then. Val, thank you so much. I'm trying to do my best. And I'm trying to stay young as much as possible. And I gotta tell you guys something. It's super serious. I need to find a trade here. I really want to find a trade here, but I just can't find anything good. Not a good trade that I can go with right now. Secured 1916. 12 micro at top step. Oh my gosh. Reza. Reza is back in the game for sure. Let's see. Wow. I'm gonna share this to the screen here. Beautiful. Express funded, nice. Oh, you guys don't see the top there, but no, that's not it. Absolutely awesome trading there, Reza. Congratulations. Securing that account. Nice trades. Look at that. Reza entered the short just like that, and oh my gosh. How did you pick this? Jesus. Wow. I don't know what to say, man. That is awesome. Wow, and still dropping. Yeah, you are definitely going back to the top. This is just amazing trading. Green made 1.5 with 8 micros. You should walk away, man. You definitely. And what is this drop? Almost 200 points down. Do I really want to chase this? I don't know. I don't think so. This is just unstoppable. Do we have some levels down there that we can look for? Any kind of level on the 15-minute, 5-minute. Nothing. I guess there's a swing low. This just keeps going. 114. Oh my god. Is this really going down? It's going down. How is this even possible? It's unstoppable, man. Wow. It just keeps going down. Unbelievable. No way, dude. Hold on. All right. I just had to make sure that all is well. I don't know who dropped or what dropped, but something happened. I had an evaluation account at TRADEDAY, which I was just checking how many drawdown do I left with. I still left with 1500 drawdown. So I just wanted to make sure if I can enter this one, but it just went down to 114 without me. That was a crazy move. Tech stocks are dumping. I guess it's always time for a correction every now and then. But this was absolutely crazy here. CPI news candle low is 140. Man. Absolutely. This move is absolutely mental. Is this the CPI news candle? Or this? No. No, it's sorry. Sorry, oh mine, CPI news. It's totally a different time. Yeah. So we swept that swing low. There's one more here. The thing is, I mean, we have that swing low down to 23,065. But is it gonna break through? That's the problem. I don't know. Yeah, it's very quick at times like this. It definitely is almost impossible to catch the move. I feel like this one still wants to maybe drop lower. Not really sure. Is it bouncing? Kind of wondering if it's bouncing now or what. Is it making a new low? What's the deal here? Four-hour order block at 65. That can happen. Yeah, what happens here, Maverick, is absolutely crazy. Oh, really? Thank you so much. Thank you, Filkos. I appreciate that. I do. I tried to do my best. I don't know what's going on with this. But this drop, wow. Absolute mental. Looking at these other markets as well, like even the currencies I'm looking at sometimes, you know, what's happening? Dollar yen is dropping. Euro dollar spiking higher. Quite interesting, to say the least. What about gold? Gold is making a pullback now, wants to go back up higher. But even if gold wants to go higher, how high can it go? I'm kind of supporting the idea for gold to break higher. We have relative equal highs up there, so there's absolutely no issue on my end if it wants to go. But I guess we'll see. And as for NQ, absolutely unpredictable. Kirk, I'm awake. I'm watching other other charts. Sky's the limit. The Abyss, hello. You missed out on 10K. Well, don't worry about it because these kind of moves are usually unpredictable. The best you can do is chase it, but that is very dangerous to chase these kind of moves. So don't worry about that, Abyss. Yeah, you can bury that sorrow with 2 bottles of whiskey. I love that. Yeah, that's actually a good idea. That's the only thing we can do. Otherwise, nothing. Well, let's look at this. What happened here? Okay. To me, gold looks like it wants to continue higher. Where's the relative equal highs? And what's on the 1 hour if we look to the left? Nothing. Okay. And what's on the 15-minute chart if we look to the left? Not much, actually. Okay. Doesn't matter. What's on the 5-minute chart? Last resort. One more zone. Actually, that's a good target. Right there at 38.3. There's a 5-minute order block. Bearish order block on gold. But otherwise, that is it. That is all. And as for NQ, pretty much unpredictable. All right, Abyss. See you later. Thanks for dropping in, Abyss. Malo is long at 119. 119? Dude. How did you do that? By the way, that's also a strategy like almost like the turtle soup, right? There's at significant points, you could be playing for the bounce, but I guess you really have to be good at it. Pilkos, we all had the idea to go short. I know how it feels. I know. I have no positions on. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Where is my calculator? What a drop. Amazing. Malo is out. 160. Congratulations. Oh my god, Malo. You know what? You deserve this, man. I don't know what was your initial entry or what were you looking for, but hey. There was a nice bullish engulfing candle on 1 minute, but whatever was it was great. Vivian, good morning. Hello. How's your day so far? And I hope the weekend, well, it's Tuesday, but still, I hope the weekend was good. Good job there, Malo. Let me get this off from here. I have still no entry. Still no entry on my end. I'm still kind of waiting for gold. Good. All right. 850 times 3. Malo, you gotta shut it down, man. You got to take those profits and run. Exactly. I really don't. Malo, we need to talk. I don't know what you're doing there, but I'm almost saying this is too much, man. It's too much. It takes a lot of intuition and chart time. I understand that, by the way. So we should start getting long around 132. Maybe we're gonna see a V-shaped recovery. Who knows? Somewhat better. Okay, I'm not really 100%. I couldn't eat anything today because when I was thinking of food, I was like, ugh. So I was just drinking tea. And yeah. I need to listen to what happens, Zacromonster. Come on, man. Gold is slowly edging higher. Otherwise nothing. Let's see. Yeah, gold might want to go higher. Not that there is a special tea for the stomach. It's Chinese mix. It's called Dr. Chan's stomach tea. You know what, Mullers? Yeah, we definitely need to pick his brain. You think so much about gold? Yeah, Dr. Chan. Yeah. That's the tea that I'm drinking. Actually, I can show you. There's a picture somewhere here. Okay, so this is exactly what I'm talking about. This is what I'm drinking. It's It's good for stomach. That's what I'm drinking. Stomach tea. Strong stomach tea. It helps to recover. It does wonders, by the way. Gold is still edging higher. It works, yeah. Yeah, Philkos. It works fine. No, I'm not in a position, Kirk. Here you go. Here's my orders and positions. I have nothing. I'm flat. I am flat. Completely. No trades. I didn't see a proper entry. I missed the gold push. Actually, it was already pushing higher before the stream started. So, no, I have nothing. The only thing I have is this small, tiny 5K account at the Fivers where I took a long position on gold, but this is like for testing and nothing more. I'm swimming in $2 of profit right now. Look at how much money I'm making right now. I mean, $2 is a lot sometimes. Almost $3 now. That's all I have. Otherwise, nothing. I'm not sleeping. I mean, I haven't slept last night, to be honest. Okay, gold stopped. Nothing that I like on NQ. Because these are questions that are hard to answer. I'm not sure. Seems like I sleep while trading. Yeah, I mean, I couldn't sleep last night because of this diarrhea happening. All right. Don't know what to do. It happens. Oh, thank you. I will get well soon. Don't worry. I'm still a little bit slow, but I will get back soon. And I will get well soon. Get well and get back soon. Okay, gold is kind of moving higher, which is great, I guess. Nothing else I see here. Do you know the difference between core and scale at MyFunded? It seems the same. There is something with the payout. I'm just also checking the details right now. It seems like there is a difference. Hold on. With the payout cap. So on the scale plan, there is a payout cap. Basically, you scale into the payouts. So the thing that it looks like is on the 50K scale plan, first payout cap is 1500, second payout is 1750, and so on. And this is how it goes. Now, on the new Pro plan, there's no cap. Payout request cap is 100,000. That's the main thing. And something about the consistency, I'm still need to, because I just received the information like about an hour ago. So basically the Pro plan was the expert account, but the request cap is 100K, which is quite amazing. I'm gonna check it. Yeah, we all, yeah, I mean, we definitely have to become children at one point of our life, because they have no problems there. Hold on. Here's some details. I'm also just checking this out myself. So, one simple evaluation, 0 activation fee, 100K payout cap. Okay, 50% consistency evals only. Tiered payout caps on scale. No daily loss limits. News trading allowed on core and scale plan, even on the funded account. So you can trade the news on your funded account on the core and the scale plan. 5 accounts, that's one of the new things. We were kind of having this information. They were talking about this. 5 sim funded accounts instead of 3. And the 100K payout request cap. That is really something. But otherwise, I'm trying to look into the differences between the Pro and the scale accounts. Yeah, there's another promo picture here. Here it is. So on the core account, you can get it for $62, no activation fee. Request cap is $1,000. Profit target 3K. loss limit. Okay, so the scale plan is a little bit better, although it's a little bit more expensive, but you can scale up the payouts. So you start from a maximum 1.5K up to 3.5K, which is, I think it's enough. And here there's a huge jump. I mean, and there is a difference between the micro scaling and between the contracts. I have to look into that. So let me just check it. So here's the details. No, per payout. Per payout. It's per payout, Maverick. So this is the cheapest one, the core plan. Obviously with discount it goes down to like 62 or something. Minimum payout is $250. Maximum payout is being kept at $1,000. There's a micro scaling, excess up to 15 micros, but it's gonna scale, I think, as it's gonna scale, I think, every $1,000. And now the scale plan is basically the starter plus refurbished. Profit target is the same. Minimum payout. So actually this is the starter plus account with some minor changes. Actually nothing special. Scale is the same. But the big thing is with the pro account, I guess, the withdrawal cap, minimum payout on the pro account is 1K. There's no micro scaling on the pro account. So that's actually interesting. So the 50K pro account has no micro scaling rule. At least it doesn't say anything on the website. No consistency, no scaling rule. Basically, this is the one that gives you the most freedom. Now with the discount, it's like 180 or 70. I don't even know how much. It has a 15% discount still. So this, the pro plan gives you the most freedom, right? That gives you the most freedom. Yeah, they don't have 25K accounts, but you know, it's still good. Yeah, pro is the best choice. If you're willing to pay a bit of an extra, then you're going to get the most freedom that you can get in trading. So that's kind of cool. No caps, no consistency, no scaling, nothing. Actually, the pro plan is really the nearest that you can get, as close to like a real freedom in trading on a funded account. And again, payout cap is $100,000. That's actually good. That's more than enough to channel some money out to your account. Okay. Still just kind of waiting here. I'm looking at currencies too, just to see what the market is up to. But not much so far. Gold is pushing higher. What a surprise. NQ still down there. Yeah. the extras, they worth the money, right? Yeah. $17 accounts. It could be boring with the, but yeah, it's meant to be boring, you know, Martin. AD, hello. Yeah, sure, absolutely, absolutely, AD. I've been here a while, but I still don't know what I should do so I can enter giveaways. Yeah, so AD, the giveaways on My Funded TV is very simple. When they put out the code, you can use the code for a quick reset or for a quick to buy an account for free, if that's what you're asking. The giveaway that's gonna happen here, it's gonna be a separate one. I'm gonna put out a video which is still not out there, and there gonna be a form in the video link, and it's not out there, so you didn't miss anything. And just type in your email and name, and that's how we're gonna pick the winner. So it's easy. Yeah, maybe we go back there, Maverick. I don't know. The reset code, I mean, you go to the dashboard, you find your evaluation account that has been blown up or in drawdown, and there's a reset account button somewhere, and that's going to take you to a checkout page. And on the checkout page, you can add the promo code that they are. Everybody is on the checkout page already during the MyFundedFutures stream, so everybody's just waiting for the code. They paste in, they type in the code real fast and apply the code, and then that's it. Let me show you an example. I think I have a failed evaluation account somewhere. I mean, I definitely know that. So let me show you a failed starter account. Okay, so here's a starter account that I failed not too long ago, unfortunately, on July the 14th. So let me show you this. So you go to your dashboard. Okay, you go to your stats page, and it should be showing your account or whatever, and then you just click on reset now. Okay, you click on reset. Hey, absolutely no problem. You click on reset, and that's how it is. That's how simple it is. And that's where you click on add coupon code, and that's where you have to put in the code that they give you on MyFunded TV. You click apply, and then you can go for submitting the payment. So this is the screen that you should be on, you know, while waiting for the code. Just type in real quick. I don't even know if with capital letters or not, but you type in real quick, whatever it is, apply, and go for the checkout. So everybody's on this screen while waiting for the code. I mean, the real fast ones. That's what you need to do. Can you tell us more about spoofing? Showed us how someone was spoofing with Counter-X on NQ. I mean, that should be something about algorithmic trading. like bracket orders or something. I don't really know much about that, Lesis. I really don't want to, because I just I'm just not sure about the details there. But hold on. I missed my entry. Never mind. Never mind. I had an entry on the Fivers account. I just wasn't sure take it or not. Anyway, I'll take it next time. Yeah, gold is just absolutely. It went to that order block. We talked about that order block on the 5-minute chart, 5-minute bearish order block at 38.2. Yeah, so it's you gotta be fast there when the code comes out. No entry. Not even, I mean, definitely not on the 5-minute. And it's going back up there. Look at that. There's a zone here. Now I like that. If it really wants to play bullish here, look at this zone on the 1-minute chart. It's actually valid. So there's a 1-minute bearish order block up there at 261 if it really wants to go. Let's see what it does, right? I'm doing some modifications on the Fivers account that I'm having here. Kind of curious how far can this go. When will be our Discord channel ready? I hope this week, man. I apologize for that, but I hope that this week is gonna be the one. I really hope so. I really want it to roll as it should be rolling. So what's up with NQ? Is it going to do a reversal here? What's the plan? I kind of like this area, by the way. It repriced this gap. If this one can hold, then who knows? Maybe even a miracle will happen. Hey, past your 100k trade day eval. Vivian, let me give you an applause. Congratulations. 100k trade day evaluation account. That is really something. Because there's 7 minimum trading days, I think. I'm still working on that too. That's nice. Rejected daily fair value per starting. Yeah. And we still have time from this hour, but I don't know how far this one wants to recover. Robert Gallas, hello, good morning. How's the day so far? The space for the code is not coming up. If the account was blown up more than 30 days ago, then it's not going to pop up there. So it depends on when you blew up the account. If it's more than 30 days ago, then it might not gonna be happening. Yeah, that could be an issue. Okay, so is this gonna go now, or what's the plan here? No movement at all. I don't like this. Hey, absolutely, 80, no problem. Was on the 16th, so yeah, that's why it's not working. Yeah, it's more than 1 month now, so resets only apply for that long. Some Native American music, like some. What is the Native American music? Gotta feel the vibe. The problem is that no matter how much I want this to go up there, I'm just not really sure about it. I'm not really sure that it will go up to that order block. I took a small trade on an evaluation account, just out of curiosity. I don't really feel this. Trying to go long for the 260s. But I'm not really feeling this. Harshly, closing the day with 2K is more than enough, man. Is more than enough. Today I only made, I think, $180 on the funded accounts. So, very small green there. But actually, at least I made some new funded. But another seat. But then she moved. But then she moved away and everything changed, right? Well, you know, you got to be prepared for those situations. Oh, man. She got cherry earrings and oh, that must have been nice, right? Yeah, I'm long on an evaluation account. Yes. Let me show you guys. It's not a good position at all. Where is it? Hold on. Yeah, here it is. It's not so good. I'm kind of looking into this 1 minute zone if it still wants to push higher as a recovery, but nah, not really liking the position. So that's the only thing. I just can't trade on a funded account if I'm not feeling it. I just can't do it. Yeah, I might even close this trade now. It's just ridiculous how it looks. It's not going up there. I tried. I tried. Yeah, I'm closing it. Closing it. It's just not worth it. Yeah, I guess it's because of the FOMO, and that's why I know it's just not a good idea to mess around on any funded account. It is what it is. What's that? 93. Is it gonna go maybe down to a 5 minute gap? What's the low there? 93.50. Well, better to wait. About gold in London. Thank you, Kirk. Thank you. Let's see. Yeah, surprise doesn't really want to pick up liquidity on the 5 minute chart as it seems like it. So let's wait. That's just been really pissing. Yeah, it is definitely playing the mind games right now. Well, we're in the macro, so I'm just wondering if it's gonna sweep some fair value gaps. Maybe here on the 5-minute, there is one right there, but not sure if it will. If it ever will. Kind of feels like it might have found some support. I think Powell's speech is done. I think he's not gonna speak today anymore. But I'm not sure. Almost 5 more minutes, a little bit more than 5 minutes. Well, actually 5 minutes until the 11 a.m. session comes. So I guess we'll see. All right, let's go to the 1 hour and see what's happening. Sorry, 1 minute and see what's happening. It's almost feels like it wants to break this high, and as I said, there's the order block starting at 61.75. Interesting. But is it gonna go higher? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. What's gold doing? Gold is just up there, kind of going sideways. NQ feels like going for a battle for this level, maybe. This is not so good. So there's a 1 minute order block up there. it is also valid on the mini. So I do kind of like that area. Actually, a little bit tempted to jump into a trade, but I'm not sure if I want to. Hey, Gabriel, the Dr. Shuttle Show. What's up? Good morning. Welcome. Hope some good profits are being made, Gabriel. I have nothing here, everybody. Nothing. 1 minute bearish order block slash supply zone, and that is it. Nothing more that I see. Nothing more. All right, that being said, I think I'm going to cut it here, everyone. I'm just not feeling it, and I missed out the move, and I don't want to give any profits from my funded accounts to the market. I'm okay for the day. It was not my perfect day. It was definitely not by far one of my good days, but it is what it is. Thank you so much. The legend. Thank you, Gabriel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be at MyFunded TV in about 30 minutes. I have some good topics to talk about with risk management and such. So tune in at MyFunded TV. And I'll be back tomorrow in London session. All right. Sorry, everyone. It was a little bit slow day for me, and I'm not 100% functioning in brain right now. Still tired. But thank you, everybody. If you would like to support, please use my code at these prop firms. Gives you the best available discounts and deals. Thank you. God bless you all. And I'll be seeing you at MyFunded TV or tomorrow. God bless.